Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2016 Ram 3500 Laramie Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in the pearl white and it looks great. Up front we do have bifunction projector style headlamps right there with the fog lights just down there, and we do have the chrome grille which looks very nice, as well as the chrome bumper, and it does have some tow hooks there in case you need to pull anybody out of the ditch this summer. You also have the front park assist sensors right up there as well. And then over here we do have 20-inch rims with Firestone brand tires, still lots of tread left on them as well. You'll be good. You got the running boards along the bottom there. You have the Ram 3500 logo. And you do have the heated tow mirrors here with the turning signals on them. They do flip up as well, just like that, and helps you see all the way back. There we go. Now coming around the back, we do have a 6-foot box. We have the Laramie logo right there. We have our backup camera and our handle right there. And then right over there we do have the 4x4 logo. Now, as long as it is unlocked, we can just open it up. Lots of room back here, as well as it does have the bed liner, so nothing will be getting all scratched up back here, and it will be good for a while. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we got 2 presses to activate our remote start. That is super nice, especially in the winter. It'll get it nice and warm for you, and you'll be going a little bit quicker, and you won't be freezing. Now, if it is locked, it does have proximity keyless entry, so if you have your key on your purse and you put your hand in there when it's locked, it'll open up. It does also have the button if you want to use that. Now on the door here, you got this very nice wood accents, as well as you got a bit of chrome. You have power mirrors, windows, and locks, as well as you have this guy, which does tuck in your mirrors. Handle here with the Ram logo. A little bit of storage here. Some more down here with a water bottle holder or one of those. Very nice interior. It is leather. It feels very comfortable, and it is very warm as well. You got the Laramie logo there. You have your seats here, so back and forward, as well as you got your tilt, your seat memory, and then you also have your lumbar support right there. And coming up here, we do have our lights. So we have our on, our off, our daytime running lights, and our fog lights. And then we do have our controls over our windshield wipers, our high beams, and our turning signal there, as well as this guy does control where the foot pedals are. Okay, let's start her up. Key is in my pocket, so foot on the brake, press the button, and we're good to go. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our transmission temperature and our oil level. We also have our speed in the middle, plus what the temperature is outside, the how many kilometers, which is only 24,000, that's not very many. As well, we do have what channel we're on. We can change that guy from that to our vehicle info. We have our fuel economy, we have our trip A, our trip B, our trailer tow, our audio, and we also have our stored messages and our screen setup, and all of those guys' commercial settings, and that's all controlled right from here. You also have your voice recognition, you have your hang up or call out button, horn in the middle, and then you also have your cruise control options right there. Around the back of the steering wheel, you do have this guy, which is a volume up and down, and on the other side there is an identical one. That's for the channel. This guy is for your gear shift, and when you are in reverse, you do have that ever useful backup camera. This guy down here is for your two-wheel lock, or sorry, your two-wheel, your four-wheel lock, and your four-wheel low. And then you do have that 8.4-inch touchscreen display. You got AM and FM, as well as Sirius XM. You have your media player here, if you do have one hooked up through your disc, if you have a USB, an aux cord, or a Bluetooth or an SD card. You have your controls here, so you have your heated seats and heated steering wheel, as well as your vented seats for you and your passenger. And you also have your mirror dimmer, backup camera, and your settings. Then you got your apps here if you want to access any of those guys. Your climate control here. Then you can dual climate, so you and your passenger can have different heats if you like it different, and you can control that all through there. You got your navigation here. If you do hit view map, you can see that we are on Rec Place, of course. And then you also have your phone options here if you do have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Down here we got our volume up and down, as well as our mute, our screen off. We have our hazard lights, our back button, and our tuner and browser. AC, circulation, heat up and down for you and your passenger. Then you have your off, your auto, the power here. Then you have your front and rear defrost. Down here we got this guy, which is our tow and haul. Sorry, our trailer tow. Then we have our traction control. We have our tow and haul mode, our exhaust brake, our front and rear park assist, and then these guys activate all your different aux cords that you have around the vehicle. You have some storage here, as well as some more down here with a place you can put your phone. You have this guy here, which is some cup holders, And then in the center here, you do have your armrest, which does double as a storage container. You have this guy, which is some coin holders. Over here, you do have an aux cord, an SD card plug-in. You also have a USB and then another USB there. Closing that guy up, opening this guy. You got even more room down here, plus you do have your player there. Lots and lots of room, very useful. Over here we do have a dual layer glove box, so you got the top layer there, bottom layer just down here, and then as well, you do have the controls of your sunroof up here, as well as this guy rolls the back window, and this one is the universal garage door opener. So that guy just opens and closes that guy. And there is our sunroof. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door we do have that same wood accenting, a bit of chrome here, that handle, some storage, and some more right down there. It is the same leather back here, very comfortable. You can fold this guy down just like this, and you got an armrest and some cup holders. You get some more cup holders just down there. You can lift this guy up right here, and then you can fold these down. So just like this, fold this down, and you do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of. Or you can lift it up and you can access the storage under there if you did want to do that. Same you can do on the other side, but there is a subwoofer underneath there. Blast the music, get the tunes going. As well, right under here you have some extra storage. You can put whatever you might want in there, and it is heated seats in the back here as well. The controls are right there. And there's our 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2016 Ram 3500 Laramie. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.